The water in your home comes from a public water system, sourced from rivers, lakes, and reservoirs, or from groundwater stored in underground aquifers. When you turn on the faucet and notice dirty water, it can catch you off guard, but it doesn't always mean there's a serious problem. Let's explore some of the reasons why you might see brown water coming from your faucet. Sediment. Sediment is organic material, such as soil and sand, that breaks loose and travels through your home's water. Things like construction, heavy rain, or your water heater can stir up sediment, making it appear through your faucet. If your water runs clear after a few minutes, it usually means that the cause was temporary. If the problem persists, you should call a plumbing professional to diagnose the issue. Another reason for dirty water is pipe corrosion. Pipe corrosion is the gradual breakdown of metal pipes caused by water, soil, or other metals. Faucets can also become corroded. If the issue is isolated to one faucet, a simple replacement will fix it. If dirty water is coming from all faucets and fixtures, you should have your pipes and water heater inspected. If you have an issue with dirty water, or if your water has a foul odor or taste, contact the plumbing professionals at Catons. We'll find the cause and provide options for fixing it.